So, das war wieder mal das klassische Künstlerpech. Achso, den hätte ich machen sollen. Selbstverständlich. Öffne die Fluttore. Und die befinden sie dort rum. Also. Vaterscheide. Aha. Na gut. Und schon zerlegt. So ein bescheuerter Ausweis, den ich nicht brauche. So, jetzt einmal sagen, ein neuer, fauliger Gegner. Freut mich. Über 5000, jawohl. Eine Haftbombe. Oh, das waren zwar Mollis. Aha. Ein Messer mit der Bombe drauf. Sollten wir vielleicht aufheben. Für den schweren Gegner. Ja,
I just opened a can of whoop ass.
oben so.
Oh man, that's fucking disgusting.
So, der Big Boy hat einen Abflug gemacht. Einen wohlverdienten. Gehobene Wohngegend. Aha, sowas gibt's auch. Oh Gott, nur so einer. Warte mal. Mein Wut, wieder ran voll. Nicht das. Aber hallo. So, der Zombie mit den Blähungen. Ausgebläht. Die gehobene Wohngegend. Gibt ja mal. Da bin ich immer. Oh, sorry. Scheiße, ich hab mich hingerichtet mit seinen Blähungen. So, jetzt hat er anscheinend von lassen, dass mir von den Socken gehauen hat. Da bin ich jetzt. Genau vor der Haustür. Na, bin ich doch nicht schön. Ich hab mich zurückgespawnt.
Stay the fuck down.
Wie schaut das aus, kennt ihr das? Na gut, kennt ja nicht aus. So, Hutbredel. Muss ich beuten. Da hat der Schädel geflogen. Der ist hochgelaufen. Beim Fressen der Schlung. Du, warte mal. Ich hab doch wieder mal einen Ausstieg gekriegt. Bei der zusätzliche Wut. Damit sie schneller steigert. Meine Schutnik. Da durch hier. Volk. Aha, hier wieder. Aber diesmal nicht. Prepper rote Haxen.
Off me!
Okay, wie schaut denn aus? Geh wieder durch? Wahrscheinlich nicht. Also, mir hätte die Hose. Hab ich immer noch 6 Meter. Ich werde fertig mit der Mission. Jawohl, jetzt aber. Die gehobene Wohngegend.
Hey, we got more survivors.
Anything good in here?
Der kleine Reparatur, schon, oder? Geht schon mal, für zwischendurch.
Hey, it's good to see some new faces. If you made it, maybe there's more survivors out there, eh?
Pass auf, das ist der Herr Polizist.
Everything all right?
Aha,
You look like you've been to the bloody ringer.
ja, der Polizist. Hat den gleichen Familiennamen.
You came through the sewers? Well, that means those things can get through that way as well.
Die gehobene Wohngegend. Wobei, so schön haben sie es auch nicht. Komm, schaut aus, habt ihr einen Boss?
Blowing the bridges was the only thing to do.
So nicht.
It was the only way to keep out the infection.
Überlebender.
Yes, they can't get in, but we can't get out.
We
That
can't sit
Indiana
in here
Jones?
forever. Everything's going to hell.
Wobei, Motorin sei.
Plan. Somebody must have a goddamn
Aha,
plan.
du.
What the
Bürgermeister.
hell? Who in God's name are you, and how the hell did you get inside here? You're here to find food and medicine. Well, I'm sorry, but that's impossible. Our supplies are limited, and we need everything we have. That's all I have to say to you for now. People are waiting on me, and I have things to do.
That asshole just said the exact same thing those motherfuckers at the police station did.
Things go to shit, and it's every fuckwit for himself.
300 families. The flushest motherfuckers in the city. It's just like Nolan's. As long as they got theirs, who gives a shit if the ghetto burns?
Man, they're just playing for their own team. And I think it's about time we did the same.
What are you saying?
I'm saying that we have to find that guy on the radio.
And the lifeguard? We promised to help. Oh, fuck the lifeguard, man. If not for him, we wouldn't be stuck here like this.
Make the call.
Jen, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Were you able to get anything?
We're calling it off. Come get us at the sewer exit.
Wait, what are you planning to do?
Look, if we're gonna survive, we need to get the hell out of here. No one here is gonna help us.
We're supposed to be the ones helping. We're the only ones who can. I couldn't help my father, but I can help the others.
Jin, listen. The best way to help everyone is to find that guy from the radio. He's the only one who understands what's going on. We're only wasting our time here.
I promised I would get those people food and medicine, and I will, with or without your help. We're staying with the plan, or I'm taking the car and you're on your own.
You won't make it without us, doll. You know it's true. And if you leave us here without transportation, we're not going to make it either.
No one's going to make it if we don't help them.
The girl is right. What do you want to do, Jin? It's up to you.
I want to supply everyone. The resort, the church, the police station.
Them motherfuckers at the police station? Are you kidding me?
We'll supply everyone but the police station. Those assholes can fend for themselves. Then we'll find the voice from the radio. Agreed?
I'll be at the sewer exit. Over and out.
Mit dem Kopf durch die Wand. Nochmal abgeschlossen. Ja, pass auf, bevor es in der gehobenen Wohngegend weitergeht, wenn wir in die Pause hauen.
So much blood.
Something good in
Hol doch
here?
Vorschlag kommen. Die schwere Machete. Aha. Warte mal. Die man nicht immer brauchen. Tauchermesser. Nimm dich mit.
Damn,
Sergeant Moore.
that's all our food. What am I supposed to tell these people?
What else can we do? We have to hold on.
Damn, that's all our food.
Zet mich doch mit nicht nur hier.
Supposed to tell these people.
Maybe we should stay put right here.
That's what he's doing. I'm sure there's an emergency plan in place. He's not a stupid man.
Der Mr. Indiana Jones.
I heard you talking to the mayor. I know where you can find what you need. Not far from here is a market. The problem is it was overrun by one of the rascal gangs. They'll kill you as quick as look at you. But I know a way through the sewers. It's not an easy trek, but you don't look the type that's easily discouraged. Interested?
Ein Ausflug zum Supermarkt.
I'll give her a shot.
All the entrances to the market are barricaded, except for the one that very few know about. Head downstairs and talk to the guard at the door. That old drunk will let anyone through if you offer him a little favor. It's the only way.
Aber bevor wir den Ausflug machen, machen wir eine Pause. Und die machen wir. Da erinnert er die Song. Und beim nächsten Mal geht dann genau da weiter. Bis dann und servus.